Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world, transferring assets between exchanges can feel a bit daunting, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Today, we're focusing on how to transfer Shiba Inu, SHIB, from Exmo to Kraken in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so let's make sure we do this safely and accurately. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Kraken. Start by logging into your Exmo account and navigating to your wallet. Here, you'll see your SHIB balance. Double check that you have enough tokens to transfer, and remember to account for any network fees. Next, head over to the Withdraw or Send section in Exmo. Select SHIB as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, you'll need the deposit address from Kraken. Switch to your Kraken account, go to the deposit page, and select SHIB. Kraken will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's case-sensitive and specific to SHIB. Back on Exmo, paste that Kraken address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer, and review all the details. It's crucial to verify everything here to avoid any mistakes. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. After initiating the transfer, sit tight. SHIB transactions on the Ethereum blockchain can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Once it's done, log back into Kraken and check your wallet. Your SHIB should now be there, ready for trading or holding. Congrats, you've just successfully transferred your tokens. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always use the latest versions of these platforms and enable security features like withdrawal whitelists. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.